tropical heat wave coming up. Hey, Scott Elliott is here. Scott, what do you have coming up later on the Project Pit Walk? Real duty stuff. Wait, explain exactly what is a pet walk. I don't understand. Pet walk is pet ride. Get up there and show off their pet. Whatever that is. So it's like a fashion show or something? Kind of like a fashion show. I tried to call it high school, like, microphones, but they're going to call it in.